Genetics is the study of how characteristics are passed down from parents to children. Genes are the microscopic puzzle pieces that give each living thing on the planet its individuality. The reason no two people are exactly alike is because of their genes. Genes are made up of molecules called DNA. DNA is in the cells of every living thing. DNA is what gives the cells and the organisms their own specific function. Every piece of DNA has a special sequence of nucleotides that provides the cells with information. Nucleotides are the little molecules attached to DNA, and they are adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. In your body, proteins are made from DNA. Nucleotides are read-like instructions. They tell the cell what kind of protein to make because of what order they are in. Proteins are created and they have jobs to do in your body. They fold in different ways and form different connections to do different jobs. If a protein folds the wrong way, it could do the wrong job, or it could not do its job the correct way. A messed up protein is called a prion. Prions can be passed on like a disease, and they can cause problems in anyone who has them. Prions are usually formed because of a mutation or a change in the DNA or the instructions. Mutations can happen by accident. Mutations are what cause cancer. Cancer causes your cells to grow wrong. This can lead to the bad cells taking over a part of your body instead of the good cells that are supposed to be there. Genes come in families. Each gene family has its own function. I studied the MS4A gene family. This gene family plays an important part in your brain. I did some research with two of my classmates. We studied a brain cancer called Glioblastoma Multiforme and a sickness called chronic wasting disease that destroys the brain of some animals such as deer. They both have a mutation in the MS4A gene family. Both chronic wasting disease and glioblastoma multiforme cause pain, confusion, memory loss, forgetfulness, and even death after long periods of time going untreated. This is why we decided it was important to study both diseases. Maybe studying the disease in deer could help scientists and doctors better understand the cancer that forms in people and could help find a way to cure it. With genes and DNA and proteins, it is important to know that structure causes their function. In both diseases, the MS4A gene that we studied was not properly structured. This is because they were missing an important part of their structure called a methyl group. In our research, this is called low methylation of the gene. This gene that is not methylated is replicated in the DNA and in the cells, which is how cancer and chronic wasting disease are formed. It is important that we do more research and see if this mutation can be changed, because this could stop the formation of cancer cells or other brain-altering diseases. It would help to stop cancer before it grows rather than trying to cure it after it already exists. Cancer treatments can cause harm to the good cells as well as the bad ones. By preventing cancer before it starts, this research could help sick people in the future stay healthy.